Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to only share your status with someone on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on Updates located at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Updates section. Step 3. Next to the Status option, tap on the 3 dots icon. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, tap on Status Privacy. Step 5. Within the Status Privacy settings, mark the option Only Share With. Step 6. Select the desired contact or contacts with whom you want to share your status. Step 7. Finally, tap on the check mark to confirm and apply the changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily control who sees your status updates on WhatsApp and share them only with specific contacts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy sharing.